Alright, another day. And taking the intake, or the, I guess that's the EGR actuation, which is part of the throttle. If you want to call it a throttle, it's a diesel. And that's the EGR. So I'm planning to take the EGR valve, or the EGR system, out as a complete unit, or at least I'm going to attempt to do so. This is the passenger side. These gloves are blue, by the way. This is the driver's side. You can see there seems to be a leak here, which I am hoping to find and hopefully remedy. All right. We'll keep working on it. Getting closer and closer to the tandem pump here on the passenger side. Starting to catch real glimpses of it. Let's see how that turns out. Okay.